Hello everyone. So today I'm going to make this enemy character search the last seen location before he go back to normal patrol routine once he has detected me. So let's get the attention of the enemy with a whistle. Okay, now I am detected. Now I'll run away. And that was the last seen location by the enemy. Now he comes to that point and look for me. If he don't see me, he put back the sword and go back to his normal routine. So that's what I am going to cover today. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so the first problem I need to solve is this. So whenever I go out of the character's visibility range, this red character position snapshot appears, but I need it to happen only if I have been already detected. So I can solve it here on the site. Where do I create the snapshot? It should be here. Is it? No. Yeah, here. So when I notify the detection state to the game state using this enemy control interface. So let's open the game state, which is state code like me, and yeah, this is where I set it. Right, so here I'll add another interface function. Wait. Okay, so no, actually I don't need another function. I can do it with the one I already have, which is this. So here I add this detected event, and I'll promote that to a variable. Like this, and I'll do this only if the detected is true. After that, I'll set detected to false because I need it to happen only once. And now I don't need this to once node. And yeah, after some time I need to destroy this last seen indicator. So I'll promote this one to a variable. It I don't need a concrete reference, so I'll just convert it to actor object like this. And if one of the enemies see the player, then I should instantly destroy this one. So I'll get this is valid, so I need to make sure that I already have a valid reference here, otherwise it will throw a access try and access none error. So I'll set lifespan I'll set point 1 to be safe. Right. Now I should be able to, yeah, let's test it out. And yeah, one more thing. So here I just set the detection state to 0 without checking whether I have successfully detected the enemy. So that's not good, because if I have already seen the enemy, I should check the last seen location before I go back to normal routine. So how can I do that? So to do that, I think we need to add some other part here, like before this. Yeah, okay, so before this, let's add another sequence. Let's name this one searching last seen location, and this must be selected based on a blackboard based condition. Let's go to the blackboard and duplicate this one. I can't duplicate. Add a new key and the type of vector. Let's call it last seen location. Okay, and if that is set, if last seen location is set, I need my character to move to last seen location. Actually, yeah, let's move it to last seen location, and then wait 5 seconds, and after that, if nothing happens, I'll set this to self. If nothing happens, I need to clear blackboard key, this not move target, last seen location, and then I need my character to unequip or put back the sword. So for that, I may have to define a new task. Let's create a new task. Let's just check one of them. Let's just duplicate one of them. T toggle weapon. Not toggle weapon. Let's say T sheath weapon. And no need of branch. Let's just take the control pawn and call toggle weapon with a false and finish execute. That's all. We need to call it T sheath weapon. And yeah, now we need to set the last scene location here. Like this. First we need to check the detection state like this. Let's get blackboard and get value as int, key name is this one, detection state, and let's do a switch based on this. If this is 1, I need to set blackboard value as not as int, as a vector 3, as vector like this. So this is where I set the last scene location blackboard value. Make literal name. Let me copy the blackboard variable name, last scene location, and the location is this. Get actor location. Wait, why can't I get location? Get actor location. Alright, and plug it here, compile. And yeah, we have a little problem with this tclear blackboard key. So here I can select the blackboard key to last scene location, but the problem is I can't use that. I have to promote this one also to a variable. So let's break this one and promote to a variable. I'll call it key name, and the default value should be this one. I'll make it instance editable. So now here, yeah, I can change the last key name. So I need to change this to last scene location. Now let's check. Let's get the attention of the character with a whistle. Now he's seen me, and yeah, detected. Let's run. Oh wait, no, let's try again. Okay, detected. Let's run, and that was the last scene location. So now I'll hide, and he went to that place, and he goes back, and he should put back the sword, but he's not doing it. Let's check the yeah, he's supposed to sheath the sword, but he didn't do that for some reason. Let's check again and try to figure out what went wrong. Okay, detected, and ran away. Now he's coming here, and no one is there, so he must put back the sword before going back. For some reason, this did not work. Right. The problem is this. Once I clear the blackboard key, the control abort this part and go back here. So this part will never be executed. So I need to change the order. Now it should work. Let's get the attention. Alright. Now he's on to us. Let's run away and hide. Alright. It works. Okay, and now let's do one more thing. We need to destroy this last scene location indicator, and it should happen here. Yeah, we can do a simple modification to this part like this. If this one is true, now let's add a new interface method like this. Clear last scene location. And we should do this. Now implement it right here. And this part. And we can just call that function here. Okay, now let's check again. Now that character should be destroyed, the outline. Oh, wait. I didn't call that anywhere. So, yeah. After sheath weapon, let's duplicate this task. And let's create another task, T, clear, last. We can do it, right? No, 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 no. T clear character snapshot. Get game state and clear last scene location using the anime controller, and that should be all. Let's check. Now he's coming to search the last scene location, and he's there. Wait a minute, I did not call that task. Clear last, clear character snapshot, like this. Now it should work finally. Okay, he's there. Right, it is cleared, and he's going back to work. Back to patrol routine. Shall we take his attention again? Detection is not happening, but I'll check that in the next episode. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.